Hello, good day friends. So welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this new quantitative platform that is going to be paying me around 143,000 in the next 31 days, and in the next 7 days it's going to be paying me per week around 32,000 naira, and I'm going to be starting with around just 21 USDT based on the conversion rate a dollar is to a naira. That is what is giving me that value. In this video I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal based on what I'm going to be earning on a daily basis. Now, how do you get started on this platform? All you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check down the pinned comment. So where am I going to now? I want to show you the different level of what staking that you can do. What we do here is that you stake USDT and you earn interest rates. Now there is one for 7 to 21 USDT. Now the one I started with is the one that is giving me 13% per day. Now you can see it, there is 14% per day. You can see it based on how much you are starting with. So the interest rate is going to differ. So what may I do most times is that, and I don't show it on the video, is that most time I can just go back and what add my capital. So that's how I get like quick return of investment immediately. Now how do you get started? You just need to register using your email. You set up login password, set up security password, or you come here, choose mobile number, then you click here and then you choose your country code. For me, I already have an account, so let me just log in. Now like I said earlier on in this video, I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal, so just make sure you stay connected, and if you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the comment section of this video, and you can also find your way down to my Telegram channel. I will be there to guide you in whatever question you have. Now once you are logged in, you are going to see this announcement. Yes, how this announcement looks like, but I'm going to show you guys all you need to know right here. Now once this is it, now based on the interest rate that you have, right, you can just choose. Now I choose the first one, which is giving me 13%. So 13% on a daily basis is around 2.94 USDT. Now I'm going to stake this for around 31 days. So look at it here. You scroll down your screen, 21 USDT, and I'm staking it for the next 31 days, and this is it. If I stake it now, I confirm the staking, I confirm it for the next 31 days, and you see my staking is succeeded. Now you see it in the next 24 hours I'm earning 2.94. so every day I'm going to come and claim this. Now how do you recharge your account? So let me just place a withdrawal, then I show you guys how you can recharge. For you to place a withdrawal, all you need to do is to share, look at withdrawal, click on withdrawal, and you'll be making use of what? USDT BEP20 network. That's the most preferred network for you to use. So let me just come here. Remember the wallet that I showed you guys? Let me just come here, click on it, and then I copy USDT BEP20 network address. I come here, I tap on receive right now. Remember we set up our security password, right? We had a security password and then we had a login password. Now for you to withdraw, you'll be making use of your security password. Your security password is different from your login password. So let me just confirm withdrawal, and then I show you how to recharge. Now you can see my withdrawal is actually successful. You can see it, withdrawal successful. So the next thing that you can do here is that let me show you how you can actually easily recharge right here. I click on staking right now, and then you see it. Now if you want to recharge, there are different wallet address that they are going to give to you. Now you can see we have different network that support USDT. For example, we have USDT BEP20, we have TRC20 network, we have TRX, we have BNB. But for me, if you have watched my video very well, I like to use BEP20 network address. So all you just need to do is to copy it down, and then you go fund it based on the amount you want to start up with. Now you can also download their app. If you want to download their app, all you need to do is to click on this dash icon. There's an arrow pointing at everything that I'm doing, and then you can download the app. Now the app is the last icon. The app is the last icon, as you can see on my screen. Let me go back again so you can see. Okay, now if I click on this, the app, for you to download the app is the last option for you to download the app. But I don't have problem, I can just do everything. For me, I can do everything just making use of the website. That is, I'm logging in through Telegram, so I don't find any big deal in using the app. But if you want to make use of the app, you can make do of it. Now remember, I told you that your interest rate is going to differ. Now if you have any question, please make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. There are different form of earnings we do here. You can see for this what we do here. Now for this one that you are seeing right here, it's not actually it's not a quantitative platform. It's actually a gaming platform whereby you play and you earn. There are different ways that you can actually earn on my Telegram channel. Please make sure if you have any question, make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel, and you can ask me any question. I will be there to guide you. Now every 24 hours, based on the time that you are starting, right, please make sure you come back daily and you place withdrawal. Remember, weekly, based on my own capital startup, I will be earning 32,000. Now in the next 31 days I will be earning approximately around 143. So for you, you can start with whatever amounts based on, remember how I showed you how to get started. So you can just choose any amount. So any capital you even choose, right, even though you don't even want to follow that process, any capital you choose, make sure you come here and then you stake that capital for 31 days, and it's going to tell you, once you scroll down, it's going to show you what you are going to be earning per hour based on the capital. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe.